I'm going to show you how to recover a password in FortiGate Firewall using this topology. In this topology, this is the FortiGate, the system that I had already configured a password, but I'm pretending to have forgotten it, so that step by step I show you how to recover. So at the end of this video, you'll have that ability to recover the password in FortiGate Firewall. This is a simulation done in GNS3. So let's start. I'm going to use what we call the maintainer account to recover the password in this system. So let me just show you how it works. So this is the username. The maintainer is the username. By default, it is admin in FortiGate, but I'll use this to recover the password with these characters. So once I reload the system will start. It will undergo the system maintenance check. In that sector, once it finishes that process, it will show me it will show its serial number here. You can see this is the serial number. So it will show you something like this one. So you copy that serial number, just copy this way, then you just do this, then you copy all this username plus this, then you right click on the CLI, you paste, then you press enter. These two will give you an opportunity to return to the FortiGate Firewall where you can reconfigure your account afresh. So let me proceed. So first thing, you reload your FortiGate Firewall here. Once you reload, you right click, you connect it to console. You connect it to console. This is just for easier visibility. You see, it is starting. The moment it starts, then it goes through system maintenance, checking the disk, checking the resources, that whether it's available, it's scanning, checking all those issues. Once it finishes this process, it will give you the serial number here. So you copy this serial number that way, Control C, then you come and paste it here. You see? Just paste it there. Then you copy all of this. You copy all of this, maintainer plus that, then you come to the CLI, then you right click, you place. So let me repeat, it's just to save on time, let me copy this one because the serial number is the same, so that at least let's reload. Once you reload, come here, so it will start. Remember, I had configured a password that I'm assuming that I do not know that password. So this is step 2. After step 2, it will show you the serial number. You copy, you append to the PCPP, then with the maintainer as a username, it should give you the ability to give you another opportunity to reconfigure the account. You see, I have just pasted the maintainer, then this one, plus the PCPP, so that once you do that, it will give you this. What does it say? That file system check recommended an unsafe reboot may have caused an inconsistency in the disk drive. It is strongly recommended that you check the file system. So once you reach here, you can configure your account afresh, configure system admin, then edit admin, then set password Cisco, that one. Okay, so once you do that, and I'm done. Show full. There is an issue. So you see I have configured the account here. So let me exit and try to log in afresh. Username is admin, then password is Cisco. You see it has worked. So at this stage you can execute reboot so that it can check the file system. You see, that is the end of this process of recovering a password in FortiGate Firewall. So feel free to subscribe to Netlabs Hub on YouTube for more videos as this. Also, you can leave a comment if you want this file, or if you want any lab to be done in line with this together with you. Thank you.